Georgia Surgicare now offers the Apollo Care app, which can be found on your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. There are so many benefits of this application, such as patients can track and monitor their progress, journal their hydration, record their diet and their water intakes. Patients can also engage with dietitians, schedule consultations with life coaches, as well as providers from our facility. Call us today to find out how you can purchase this Apollo Care app at 678-466-6760. Looking forward to speaking with you.